What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new video. I hope you guys are having a blessed day because I am. And as you can tell from the title, I got my first YouTube paycheck. I want you guys to know before we get started, this isn't me trying to show off or flex. I just want to share this experience with you guys because without you guys, this wouldn't have happened. And this wouldn't have happened without you guys watching my videos and supporting me, hitting that subscribe button, commenting, DMing me, whatever. So without further ado, I got my first YouTube paycheck, or from Google, YouTube, whatever you want to call it, they're both the same. And to be real with you guys, when I first got it in the mail after like waiting so long for it to finally get here, it was just like, damn, like I can't say all the hard work paid off. It was just an amazing feeling to get money off of making YouTube videos because it is for fun what I'm doing, like barber tutorials, lifestyle videos, whatever. It still is for fun for me, but to get paid through it, it's just an added bonus, you know what I mean? It's like, I'm glad that I made content that. So basically in this video, I'm gonna be explaining how I got this, my whole journey through it, how much I made, and anything that you guys wanna know, just in case if you guys want to start a YouTube channel one day and you guys know what to look forward to. So we're gonna take it back all the way to February 1st, 2018, my first barber tutorial that I put out, my first legit one where I had decent equipment. I did a tutorial on ball taper, I believe, but before that I remember I woke up one day and I was like, yo, I wanna do YouTube, like I've always wanted to. And I went to Best Buy, I got a credit card, I spent $3,000, I bought a camera, which I'm using now, and I bought an iMac, which is $3,000. I know I'm like not close to paying that off, but like with YouTube money, but it's honestly, I'm fine with it because I enjoy doing this and it was like worth it. So for you first YouTube starters, or when you first create a YouTube account, you're gonna want to set up a Google AdSense account. It's basically filling out a job application. So basically Google AdSense is the thing that's gonna make you monetize your videos so you can start getting paid. So I didn't start getting monetized till around June because in order to get monetized videos, you're gonna have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched of people watching your videos. Monetization means that it'll put ads on your videos, and the ads will, and when people watch the ads, it'll add to your revenue, which is your money. So more about the ads that you get in the beginning, middle, and after the video are ads that Google pays for. YouTube gets 45% of that, I believe, and the content creators, which is us, we get 55% of that. When you reach that threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched, they're gonna send you this application, and it's basically like a job application again, and you're gonna fill out your tax forms and you're gonna have to send that back to them. So when you do that, they're gonna send you a pin. It takes about 2 to 3 or 3 to 5 weeks to get to you. For me, I had to send it twice because I guess living in Hawaii, they had a hard time sending it to me, so I had to have them resend it, and I got it after. And for them sending that to you, that verifies you and proves that you're real and you're legit trying to make this like a thing, you know what I mean? Like you're not just posting a video just cause like you actually want to get involved with like partnership and make money off of it and just start a whole channel, not just a channel just to mess around and post random videos. You want to become a content creator. So you guys want to know how much I made? I made $103.25. I know that a lot of you may look at that and be like, whoa, that's not that much for having a YouTube for so long and having these videos up. But you guys gotta remember, it's a slow pace and it'll only get higher if you keep up with the good content, which I hope I am doing. A lot of the bigger YouTubers, like, you know what I mean, they're making like bank. And for us smaller YouTubers, it is a slower pace, but for doing something that I love to do, like I love posting videos, like it's fun to me, like that means everything. Like, and another thing is when you get your check, YouTube does this thing where they'll send you it. You have to reach a threshold of $100 first. So say you make $70 in a month, you're not gonna get that till the next month because you have to reach $100 first. So if that clarifies enough for you guys, I just want to thank you guys for having this happen to me, and I hope that I continue to create more content for you guys that you guys can enjoy. If you guys aren't yet, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button because There'll be more videos to come. I hope that I answered a lot of you guys' questions. If you guys have more questions, comment down below and I'll get to all of them. So once again, thank you guys. It's your boy John B, and I'm out.